Welcome to Universal Laws. Here in this unit, I am going to tell you about the binary system here. In mathematics, binary system also plays a very important role. And all of you might have heard about the decimal system here. Decimal system, deci means 10. The numbers what we are using in our daily life, day-to-day life, or for whatever the purpose we use the digits. 4 pencils we call, and 5 chairs, or 55, the number 55, 55 persons, 50 persons, 100 persons. Like that we go on representing so many things in our daily life only through the decimal system. Deci means 10. Then here we use the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only those digits we use here in the decimal system. But here in the binary system, we use, the word itself will tell you, bi means 2. Only 0 and 1 are used. 0 is the lowest digit here and 1 is the highest digit here in the binary system. So let us know some of the facts about this binary system. How to convert decimals to the binary, decimal system to the binary system. So here I have written the procedure here, that is how to convert. You can follow these steps while converting the decimal number to the binary number. First point is divide the number by 2. And then second point is get the integer quotient for the next iteration. Iteration means that is nothing but the repetition of a process. Here I have written the meaning also, you can see. Then the third point is get the remainder for the binary digit. And then fourth point you should remember is repeat the steps until the quotient is equal to 0. Here, if I am giving you the points like this, you may be able to understand only some 30% of this. But of course you can do by this also. I will give you the example. Through examples only you will be able to understand the process. Let me consider the number 55. Here I have written the number 55. This is in the decimal system. Usually, even though we write it or not, it is, see I am writing here 55 to base 10. Decimal system, already I have told you. So 55, I am taking the number 55. To convert this into the binary system, we have to go on dividing it by the number 2. Let me consider the number 2. And here, I will show you the ordinary division process also, which you should remember. For this will be easy, but every time you need not do like this. See, I will divide the number 55 here. 2 2s are 4. Again 5 minus 4 will be 1 here. And 2 7s are 14. 15 minus 14 will be 1. This 1 is the remainder. R. I have written as the remainder R. And 27 is the quotient. Q is the quotient. So here, while dividing it, let me write the quotient here. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14 and 1 is the remainder. Let me write a small dash here and write the remainder by the side of it. 1 I have written there. Again, let me repeat this process like this. Let me divide the number 27 by the number 2. So this is again 2 1s are and 2 3s are 6. Again the remainder will be 1 here. And next is 2 6s are 12. Again the remainder is 1. And 2 3s are 6 means here the remainder will be 0. And in the last we have to write here, see 2 1s are 2 and the remainder will be 1. This remainder also you should not forget to write. I have taken all the remainders here. it will be 1 or 0 obviously. And to write the answer, let me consider like this. See, you have to count the numbers like this. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Like this only you have to go on counting. See, this is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Here, the one special thing is you have to read the digits separately. You should not combine and read it. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 is the answer here, and we write it as base 2. Within the brackets we represent the particular base what we are converting. So the number 55 is nothing but 110,111 in the base 2 system. This is how we convert the decimal system to the binary system. Now, let me tell you how to convert binary number to the decimal number. The first point is divide the desired base, that is base 2, into the number you are trying to convert. And second step is write the quotient, the answer, with a remainder. And the third point is repeat this division process using the whole number from the previous quotient, the number in front of the remainder. So these points you have to remember while converting the binary number to the decimal number. Now let me consider this example. In the previous case we had taken, that is the number 55. The number 55 can be written like this in the base 2, 110, 112 base 2. This let us convert into the decimal system. Now I will show you this example. Here what we should do is, we will consider the first digit 1 and multiply this by the base number. The base number is 2. Binary system, because it is base 2 binary system, the number base number will be 2 here, and first you count the number of the digits here in the given problem. See, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, isn't it? So the power number, you start from 1 less than the total number of the digits. 6 digits are here. I have started from 5. Like this you write 1 into 2 to the power of 5 again plus 1 into 2 to the power of 4 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 1 plus again 1 into 2 to the power of 0. We will split it and write like this in the base 2, that is representing the base 2. And we have to simplify this. 1 into 2 to the power of 5. First in the working column you can simplify this 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 is nothing but 2 multiplied 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So like this 5 times. So when you multiply this, this will be 4 into 2. Again 4 4s are 16 into 2, it will be 32. So let me write here 32. 1 into 2 to the power of 5. So 2 to the power of 5 is nothing but 32. 32 into 1 means ordinary multiplication you do, that is 32. Plus again 1 into 2 to the power of 4. 2 multiplied 4 times means you can do it orally also by this time. See, these lessons are usually in 8th standard, so you will be able to do it orally. So 4 4s are 16 here, 16, and 0 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3. Any number multiplied by 0, the value will be 0 here. So let me write 0. And again let us come back here. Plus 1 into 2 square means it is 4. Again plus 1 into 2 to the power of 1 means again 2, plus here you observe here 2 to the power of 0. Any number raised to the power of 0, the value will be 1. So 2 to the power of 0 will be equal to 1. So 1 into 1 is again 1 here. Now let me simplify this again. 32 plus 16 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. See, you can go on adding orally also. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 6, 13 plus 2 will be 15. Again 1 carry over. 4 plus 1, 5. This number will be nothing but 55. So, the binary number we got converted into the number 55. You will be surprised to see the original decimal number here. This will be just like verification also, or also like the conversion also. So, this is how we convert the binary number to the decimal number. Here you can observe, I am showing you one more example, that is conversion of the base 10 to base 2 and vice versa, that is from base 2 to base 10. So like that I am showing the conversions here. See, the number 94 I have taken here, and as I told you the process, first let us consider the number 2 base 2, because this is base 2, we are converting into base 2. So consider the number 2 and go on dividing it. Here we are writing the quotient first, and then by the side of that we are writing the remainders, and we are repeating the process. See, 2 47s are 94, and again remainder is 0. Again 2 and 23s are again 46, so remainder is 1. Like this I have go on writing, I am go on writing the remainders here by the side. And in the last, for the answer, this is 10111110, like that. See, 94 is equal to 10111110 to base 2. So we have converted the decimal number 94 to base 2 number, and vice versa, that is the reverse process also I am showing you here. The conversion of the base 2 to the base 10. 1 into 2 to the power of 6. How do we decide the power number here? We go on counting the digits here. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are there. So write the power number, one number less here. 7 digits are there. I am writing 2 to the power of 6. Then go on reducing the power numbers for the each digits and go on writing like this. And again here you can observe, this will be 2 to the power of 6 is nothing but 64. So 1 into 64. Again the number which is multiplied by 0 is nothing but 0. The whole value will be 0. Again we have simplified like this. And finally you can see here 64 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2. So the answer will be 94 only once again. So base 2 number when got converted into base 10 number, we got the original number 94 here. See, while doing these problems, it will be just like a fun for you also, and you can go on trying any number like this. Conversion of the decimal to binary or binary to the decimal. This will be just like the verification also, and you need not ask anyone whether I have done the problem correctly. This only, here only you can go on judging what you have done. So this is how we represent this binary system here, and hereby I am concluding this unit 1 regarding this binary system. Next unit I am going to tell you about the addition and subtraction of the binary numbers. So all of you please watch this video, like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you all.